I don't know about you, but I think this eye look is absolutely gorgeous. So let's try it out today. First, I'm going to prime my lids real quick. Going to blend all of that out. Now let's get into the eyeshadow palette.
I'm going to start off with Semi-Freddo as a transition in my crease. Next, I'm going to pack La Festa on the outer corner and then buff it out towards my temple. Next, I apply Amalfi, starting in the inner corner and working towards the blue. Now I'm going to apply Serenade on top of the last shade. Now I'm going to use my finger to apply Capri to make the green pop.
I am loving this look so far. I'm going to put on my face makeup. Now I got the rest of my makeup on, so let's finish up this look.
I'm going to do the lower lash line just like we did to the top, starting with Serenade, then with Capri, the outer corner with La Festa, and blending it all together with Semi-Freddo. Gonna finish the look up by applying Touring on the inner corner and then applying it up towards the crease. I absolutely love this look. I think it is perfect for spring and summer. I highly recommend getting this palette and checking out Allie Glines' video.